Good day everyone! Welcome again to our science class. To start with, let's review. Earth as our home planet has three main parts. The land part, called lithosphere, liquid part, called hydrosphere, and the gaseous part, called atmosphere. And today, we are going to focus on hydrosphere. Now, let's define water forms. It refers to any area covered by water. And you know what? Many of the different water forms all around the world are connected in some way. And considering that over 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, it's important to get to know water forms in our planet. Are you ready? To begin with, let's have ocean. Any idea, class? Yes, it is the biggest water form. Salty and very deep, and it is usually found between continents. Here are some examples. Starting with Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Number 2 is sea. And yes, it is smaller than an ocean, salty and deep. And they usually have land on several sides. Examples: Philippine Sea, our very own. Sulu Sea, Bohol Sea, and Celebes Sea. Number 3, we have lake. This time, it is a fresh water surrounded by land. Examples are Taal Lake, Lake Pandin found in Laguna, Lake Mainit in Surigao, and Caliraya Lake in Quezon. 4, we have pond. Also a fresh water, but this time it is smaller than a lake. Most of the pond in the Philippines are used to grow freshwater animals like the Tourist Fish Pond and Saldivar Fish Pond, both found in Pangasinan. Now on 5th, we have river, a long body of fresh water connected to the sea. For my examples, we have the longest river in the Philippines, which is Cagayan River. Second longest is the Rio Grande de Mindanao, and the third longest, which is Agusan River in Surigao. While in Metro Manila, we have the famous Pasig River. Now on 6, we have stream. It is like a river, but this one is flowing on a narrow bed. Most of the stream doesn't have name, just simple water stream like in Pinatubo and Taytay stream found in Laguna. And we're down to the last water form, which is called waterfalls. A body of water flowing from a high place or cliff. Examples, starting with the tallest waterfalls in the Philippines, named Aliwagwag Falls. We also have Pagsanhan Falls, Maria Cristina Falls, and Hinulugang Taktak in Antipolo. To summarize, the different water forms are Ocean, which is the biggest body of water. Sea, smaller than an ocean, but they are both salty and deep. Lake, fresh water surrounded by land. Pond, much smaller than a lake. River, a long and narrow body of fresh water connected to the sea. Stream, a body of water flowing in a narrow bed. And lastly, waterfalls, which is formed from a water that flows from a cliff as it goes down.